Welcome to Cryostar, where technology meets cryogenics. Let me introduce to you our latest development, the MAGSTAR magnetic coupling centrifugal pump. The MAGSTAR centrifugal pump is a high-performance magnetic coupling pump specially designed for LNG and inert gases on a semi-trailer for unloading operations. It is driven by a hydraulic motor and can reach a flow rate up to 1,000 liters per minute. The MAGSTAR allows optimum performance with cryogenic temperatures and high pressures. The magnetic coupling offers a non-contact transfer of torque drive between the motor and the pump shaft. No direct contact between driven and driving parts, no mechanical seal, no wearing parts, synchronous design of the magnetic coupling, no slip at any speed, total insulation between cold end and warm end. Optimized MTBM up to 5,000 hours of operation without any maintenance. The MAGSTAR centrifugal pump is a guarantee for optimized total cost of ownership, increasing the pump lifetime and decreasing your downtime. Manufactured right here in our production facility in Hassina, France, using high-quality materials and our team consolidated experience, the MAGSTAR offers exceptional durability to meet the industry's most stringent requirements. Contact us today to find out how the MAGSTAR can bring your cryogenic processes to the next level. The future starts here.